Boom. 0800 Yo fam, what's good, what's popping? It's Khalid. Yes, it's me. Yes. The guy that's been posting up in your Reddit feeds. Yes. The guy that's been upvoting every single SP-404 MKII post in the hopes that mine will be delivered. And lo and behold, it has been delivered. No, it is not a Bose. Oh shit, did I show my address? Oof, oof. Cut. You know what, I almost feel that there should be a countdown timer on this. But yeah, it's me once again, and this has arrived. No, I'm not showing my address in this take, which is fantastic, but it's not a Bose. Let me bust the box. Bust the box. Yes. Reddit forum familiar. You know, my guys, my gal them, my peoples them, my non-binaries, whatever you identify as, we did it. Mine has come. UK people, I know my girls are gonna come and probably regulate what I've just been saying, but UK people, we're getting the shipments in right now. I heard a man from Bristol is getting his, but I got mine, baby. I'm gonna run this quick little unboxing just so you lot see what I go on, because I'm heading out. It's Saturday morning, it's about 10 something, bright and early. So the box, they've put a lot of time and effort into this. You get me? You get a little manual, QR code for the people them. Let me not show that too close to the camera in case it involves a license, but look at the policy. Oh shit. My lens. Oh, right. Oh my God. And I had the perfect framing as well, you know. All right, are you back in action? Yes, you are back in action. And you know what, I'm not even gonna cut that out of the frame, but you see the polystyrene where it says Mark II on the box? Mad thing. The maddest thing of them all. Oh, I probably should have taken it out, to be honest. Still got to improve the framing. You get a little plug in the box. Lo and behold, other than that, there's nothing else in there, but what is this right here? What is this right here? Can you smell the new gear? Look at that, mud thing. Look. You know what, I might not even put a soundtrack over this. Might be one of my rhythms from back in the day. SD card slot. I copped SD cards from time ago, but this looks beautiful. To be honest, I'm not gonna turn it on until later. I'm not, because I have places to go and things to see. But yeah, that's the SP-404 MKII. I'm gonna be bringing it to work to make some rhythms. Big up my guy in the chat that was telling me about, because I asked about what rechargeable batteries people use and whatnot, and he recommended, which was a bloody good recommendation, he recommended getting a Anker battery pack. And that was a good idea because, you know, we live in quite a sustainable world these days, and we don't want to put any more batteries in the wastage. So get yourself a battery pack if you are using batteries, and if you are using batteries, try and get yourself a rechargeable set. Don't just use batteries to waste them, because, you know, we got to think about the future of our world. Oh, nearly forgot to put the manual in the box. This is probably like the first vlog thing that I've done in a while. But yeah, that's me. If you're on Reddit, it's at Up in the Air. If you're everywhere else, it's at whereisko.com. Peace. Where did I put my SD cards? I tried to show off the back of the jumper, you see it? shit. Oh, so these are the SD cards. Yeah, SanDisk 32 gig SD cards. Yeah, that's me. How about that? That's me. That's me. Oh, maybe I should have recorded the video with my hood up. But yeah, I'm gone.